Welcome to Plant a Garden TV, guys. Another short video showing you guys the rain in the garden. I know the plants them enjoying it. Oh yeah. I lose a lot of blossom, but at the same time, you know, nature, what can you do? You can't fight against nature. I have some nice sized sweet pepper. You see, guys, I show a video. I have a video when I plant this sweet pepper. I'm going to put it to the description, in the description for this video. And I want you guys to go and watch the day when I plant these sweet pepper. And look how amazing they're looking. Having some humongous pepper on top of them. I know, I'm thinking about picking one today. Yeah, I'm gonna pick this one today. Yes, guys. Oh yeah. You see what I'm talking about, guys? Huge pepper from your garden. This one, I'm thinking about picking it too, or should I leave it for a few more days? I'm gonna leave the one for a few more days. But guys, this is what I'm doing. And I'm just showing you guys what's going on in my garden. This is the exclusive. I'm showing you everything. I'm teaching you everything. So please like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.